Dogecoin at the time of this recording continues to see higher prices, and we are now attempting a break above a horizontal line of resistance above the 0.259 here on the daily chart. We have also continued to obey the additive structures, and on today's update video, I will be giving you reasons why I am expecting Dogecoin to hit new all-time highs in the next coming days. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made in August 2024, I believe that we saw these impulsive bounce to the upside in a move that completed the formation of these larger additive count 1, giving us a high above the 0.48488. And having seen the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a pullback in the formation of a second wave, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the high of that wave 1, and also doing the area that I was paying attention to as a minimum pullback target area was between the fib level 0.382 all the way to the fib level 0.78, and that was between the 0.28311 and the 0.167, which is the yellow target area over here. And you can see that we fully maximized that target area and also continued to hold above the fib level 0.88, which is the last line of support on the Fibonacci's. And you can now see that we are now seeing a reaction of this target area to the upside in what can easily turn out to be the start of a very impulsive bounce in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the wave 1 to the high of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the wave 2, and also doing the area that I will be paying attention to as my first minimum target area lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.78138. That will be my first target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And if I zoom out here on the charts, you can see that our previous all-time high lies above the 0.74 mark, which means that if that target area is hit, then Dogecoin will be able to put in place a new all-time high. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of that wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher, more aggressively in the formation of this wave 5, getting us above the 1 USDT mark and also putting in place a new all-time high. So that is the simple roadmap that I'm expecting Dogecoin to follow for the next coming months, taking us to new all-time highs. But also remember that on the short term, we can easily get a short-term pullback, especially right now when we are just facing a key area of resistance above the 0.259. If by any chance we don't see a break above that significant key area of resistance in the next coming hours, then it is most likely that we are going to get rejected, get a bit of a short-term pullback over here before we can gain more momentum to push the price even higher, breaking through that key area of resistance and continue pushing higher to give us a break above the 0.3 mark in the next coming days. Also remember that we can also get that bullish momentum to give us a straight break above that key area of resistance, maybe with a retest, and continue pushing higher in the next coming days. And that is what I am expecting on the short term in case we get rejected or maybe we break above that key area of resistance over here. And that is my long term and also my short term perspective of the chart, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and that will ensure you stay up to date.